Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel again. So today's video is, as always, the look that I'm currently wearing, and I just wanted to say that this video, there was no real plan. I just wanted to have a play with some makeup because I'm still a little bit on the sick side, but makeup, as I said in the last video, it always makes me feel so good. I don't know why, I just love playing with it. Anyway, so just to let you know, the only palette I used in this video was my Morphe Extra Freestyle one. Does not mean that you have to use it at all. I just like to show you so you have an idea in case you wanted it, or just so you can see the colours that I used in case you want to recreate the look. And as for my lips as well, I just use a little tinted lip balm, which you'll see in the video, because I didn't want to use anything too harsh. While I'm not feeling 100%. Also, throughout the video, during some of the talking moments, if you happen to hear a noise in the background, that is just because my partner's out mowing the lawn right now. And I already started the video, so I didn't want to stop. So, I guess on that note, please continue watching just to see how I get this look. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is define the crease, and we want to use a smaller blending brush. Doesn't have to be specifically that brush, but whatever you have. I think I want to go in with, so I want to use the shade Channel, which is this shade up here in the Jeffree Star palette up the top, and use that in the crease to dust off any excess, and then start working that in. Using that same shade on the lower lash line. And I'm just trying to meet them up here. Now with a little brush, still like a blending one, but it's just smaller than the brush we were just using, and we're going to use the shade. We're going to go into the shade right next to Channel, which is called Wand Noise, so this one up here in the corner, that one there. I just want to bring that shade lower than the last colour that we did and start blending it in, just to add some depth into there. Blending through with the other brush, with the original Channel shade. bringing the shade Wand Noise down to the lower lash line and connecting them through. Now I just want to go in with a lid colour. The shade that I'm going to use is still just a matte one. It is called My. Again, up the top here, it's this one here. And using just a small sort of flat brush. And now just going in, still with a very similar brush. I want to top that with the shade 2, which is a shimmery shade. Very similar one, that one there. Now I'm going to go in with my Quick Flick eyeliner stamp. This is just the petite size. So stamp a wing and then I'm just going to fill it in. The mascara I'm using is the Maybelline Great Lash. I couldn't say it just before because the mole was very loud by the window. Okay, so I'm just going to pop off screen, do the other eye, add some eyelashes, and then we'll be back to finish up the look. Okay, the mascara and eyelashes are done. Now I'm going to go in with my favourite inner corner highlight, which is always the Fenty Beauty one, the Hustler Baby. finish up the face, I didn't want to do anything fancy, so I actually just wanted to get one of my lip balms out. It's a tinted lip balm, so it does still add some colour. And this one is from Lacura Beauty, which is an Aldi brand. And let me just pop this one on over. Alright, so that's everything done for the video. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, comment, all the usual stuff that you always hear from everybody. But I will be forever grateful. Anyway, so I really hope you enjoyed it. I actually had some fun creating it because I wanted to do a little bit of colour. And I don't often see like orange based looks, which I actually think, you know, it kind of suits me pretty well considering that I have like, you know, red hair or whatever. So on that note, we'll just end it here and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.